the motto, let learning be joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are in the remote teaching and learning process. Bridging gap. Happy learning.
Subject Maths, Standard 7, Chapter 14, Part 1, Topic Algebraic Formula, or we can say expansion of squares. Let us see, children, what is an algebraic expression. We have learned about algebraic expression in Chapter 8 also. Let us recall that an algebraic expression in mathematics is an expression which is made up of variables and constants along with algebraic operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Expressions are made up of terms. They are also termed as algebraic equations. Now let us see the parts of an algebraic expression. 7n plus 2. In this 7n and 2 are called terms. In 7n, 7 is the coefficient and n is the variable. Plus is an operation, 2 is called constant. The product of algebraic expression is called their expansion or their expanded form. Let us see some formulas. These are the expansion formulas. You have to by heart that because these formulas are going to use in the practice sums. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b in one bracket and a square minus ab plus b square in another bracket. A cube minus b cube equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square in another bracket. Let us see some practice questions. 7 questions are given here. First question, 5a plus 6b whole square. Here the value of a is 5a and the value of b is 6b. Here we compared this binomial with the formula of binomial a plus b whole square. When we compare, we come to know that value of a is 5a, b is what? 6b. Expand it, we will write 5a plus 6b whole square equal to 5a square plus 2 into 5a plus into 6b plus 6b square. Square of 5a is 25a square, 2 into 5, 10, 10 6 is 60, ab square of 6 is 36, b square. Now, second question, 2p minus 3q whole square. Here the value of a is 2p and the value of b is 3q. Here we have to use the expansion formula a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. When we compare here this binomial with the question given in the slide, 2p minus 3q whole square, we find that a is equal to 2p and b is 3q. Substitute the values. Square of 2p is what? 4p square minus 2 2 is a 4, 4 3 is a 12p cube. The square of 3 is what? 9q square. Same way, children, you will solve for x minus 2 upon x raised to the power 2. Here you will see a is equal to x and b equal to 2 upon x. You have to be careful. This is the fraction here. So, when we find the expansion, we write a square means x square minus 2 into a value is x, b value is 2 upon x plus 2 upon x whole square. Here x and x cancel. 2 2s are 4. X square minus 4. When we open the bracket, square of 2 is 4. Square of x is x square. Write down here. Now next question, ax plus by whole square. Same formula we will use here, a plus b whole square. Use the expansion here, substitute the values and find the expanded form of the given binomial. Same way, children, you have to solve for 7m minus 4 whole square. This solution I have given here so that you can cross check your answer. First do by yourself using the formula. If not getting, then see that what is the problem with your solution. You can cross check from here. Now 7th question, see. X plus 1 by 2 whole square. Here the value of a is x and the value of b is 1 by 2. Again we will use the expansion formula, a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Substitute the value of a, x here, x square plus 2 into x into 1 by 2 plus b square means 1 by 2 whole square, 2 and 2 cancel, x square plus x plus 1 by 4 we get. Now next, a minus 1 by a whole square. Here we will use the expansion formula, a minus b whole square. Here the value of a is small a, value of b is 1 by a. Substitute the values in the expansion formula. We will a and a cancel. We get a square minus 2 into 1 is 2 itself. When we open the bracket, square of 1 is 1. Square of a into a is a square. Now, question 2. Which of the following binomials have the expansion m square n square plus 14m n pq plus 49p square q square? See, here the expansion is given. From the given option, you have to find out whose expansion is this. So first we will check from the options given. When we will find this expansion, we will not get this. Then we check for this. Like this we will check for each option. When we are checking for the last option, we know that this is a plus b whole square. So when we open this, we get a square means m square n square plus 2ab means 2 into mn into 7 into pq. We get 14mn pq plus b square means square of 7 is 49 p square q square. Hint is given for you, so just go through the hint. Now expansion formula to find the values. Use an expansion formula to find the values. 997 whole square. In this type of questions, you have to select the nearest tens and 100 or thousands to solve the sums. We know that 997 is nearest to 1000. So we can write 997 as what? 1000 minus 3. So as soon as we write 997, 1000 minus 3, we know that we can use which formula here? A minus b whole square. Expansion formula of a minus b whole square. So we first write down the formula. A minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here we will, when we compare, we know that a value is 1000 and b is equal to 3. Substitute these values in the formula. A means 1000 square minus 2 into 1000 into 3 plus value of b is what? 3. So when we find the square of 1000, we are getting here 10 lakh. Then minus 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 1000, 6000 plus square of 3 is what? 9. When we subtract 6000, we are getting whatever we get plus add 9 in that, we will get 9,94,009. Same way in the other sum also, you have to use this formula. 102. 102 can be written as 100 plus 2. Why we are writing 100 plus 2? Because if we are using, it was written in the question, use the expansion formula. If you are multiplying 102 into 102, we will get the same answer. But we are not using here expansion formula. So you have to be very careful that when number is given and they are telling that use expansion formula to find values, write it in the form of binomial and then expand it. So we know that 102 is nearest to 100. So 100 plus 2 whole square. We compare it with the formula a plus b whole square. We know that a value is 100 and b value is 2. Now we will expand this. A square means 100 square plus 2 into a into b. Value of a is 100 into b is what? 2 plus value of b is what? 2. So 2 square. 100 square 10,000. 2 into 2 into 100 400 plus 4. When we add this we get 10,404. Same way 97 square. We know that 97 is nearest to what? 100. So we can write 100 minus 3 whole square. So a equal to 100, b equal to 3. Here we will expand it by using expansion formula a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Substitute the values here. 100 square minus 2 into 100 into 3 plus 3 square. 100 square 10,000 minus 600 plus 9 equal to 9,409. So the value of 97 square is 9,409. Same type of sums you have to practice from the textbook. Thank you children. Have a nice day.